the importance of updating software regularly. Time moves forward, but in the digital world, some things remain stuck in the past, like software that's long overdue for an update. Every day we delay, we push it off thinking, what's the worst that could happen? It's just an update. But in those moments, we open the door to dangers we can't see, threats that evolve faster than we realize. While you wait, vulnerabilities old and new are being discovered, exploited. These weaknesses are like cracks in the walls of your digital home, and every delay in updating is an invitation for something or someone to slip through. Every piece of software you use, from your browser to your operating system, was built to protect you, to help you navigate this digital world. But the moment you stop updating, that protection weakens. Cybercriminals are constantly searching for these cracks. It's not a matter of if they will find them, but when. And when they do, they exploit the very tools you trust: your browser, your apps, your OS. Outdated software is more than just a glitch or an inconvenience. It's a weakness. And in this connected world, every weakness matters. When you neglect to update your software, you aren't just ignoring new features, you're ignoring security. Those updates are there for a reason. They contain fixes for flaws, patches for vulnerabilities, shields for your defenses. Think of every update as a reinforcement, a brick in the wall that keeps your digital life secure. With every update, you become safer, more protected, and less vulnerable to the dangers of an ever-evolving digital landscape. Regular updates don't just protect you, they preserve the integrity of the systems you rely on. Without them, you leave yourself open to risks that can steal your data, corrupt your files, and take control of your devices. In just a few minutes, you can close those cracks, you can secure the gaps. It's not just about keeping up with technology, it's about staying ahead of those who wish to use it against you. Updating your software isn't just maintenance, it's protection. It's about staying vigilant, about taking action before something goes wrong. It's about understanding that the smallest delay can lead to the biggest consequences. Every update you install is a step towards securing your digital world, a promise to yourself that you won't fall behind. It's a simple act, but its impact is profound. So don't wait, don't ignore that notification. Update your software today, because in a world where threats are always evolving, your security must evolve too. Update regularly, stay protected, stay safe, stay secure, and remember, it's not just an update, it's your defense.